Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another kind of nail accessories haul. It is actually polish. It is gel polish. And I got two kits. One I have already opened and played with a little bit. And I do have it, well actually I've opened them both. I have opened them both. I have it on my nails right now, and this glitter polish that's on my ring finger is amazing. But I got the Beetles Perfect 6 nail polish, and I don't know if this had like it did have a name, and I will leave the links to these links down below. The set has a name, and I wish it was on the box, but I don't see it anywhere on the box, but I'll leave it down below. And then I also got a bigger kit. Now what happened was I'd ordered a different brand. It was called Mifa, M-E-F-A, and it was a 20 polish set with the three, the base coat, the top coat, and the matte top coat. And it said it was going to take like 3 weeks to get to me. So after the first week of it not even shipping, I canceled that order, and I had already got this Beetles one. I had it within a day. So I canceled the Mifa order and ordered this Beetles one. And look how beautiful this packaging is. And yes, I had this within a day. So let's look at the small one first. And guys, I did order, or actually I went by Sally's and grabbed some of these nail rings so we can actually swatch all the colors. And one of my lights is out. I'm gonna have to go today and see if I can find the light bulb for my, it's my makeup mirror, but that's what I use for the light coming from this side. So it looks a little dark. That is why. I'm going to take 2 of these rings out. That's all I need. And these were like $5 at Sally's. And I think it said there's 10 in there. I think it said, I may be telling you wrong. 10 nail polish wheels, yes. So let's do the small one first, and I do need to plug up my lamp because I was doing my makeup, so I moved my lamp out of the way, and I need to move you guys down here, so see you in just a second. Okay, so you're back here on the desk, and this is the small set of polishes, and I have already opened this, so the packaging is not the way it should be. There should be like another thing of styrofoam and the little instructions booklet in here, but I've already taken all that out, and this is the 6 polishes. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. These were very pink, wine toned. There's like a brick red, brown kind of color, and then a gray, and you guys know I love my gray tone polishes. And I'm going to move this lamp back just a little bit. So here's all the polishes. So this set I think was right around $10 to $13. Again, I looked at so many, but I think this one was around $10. And we're going to start with like the lightest to the darkest, and we'll do the glitter last. So the first polish, and these bottles are bigger than the 20 set, I will tell you that. This bottle is a 7.3 mil, and they are bigger than those little bitty polishes. So this one is a very pale pink. Oh my gosh, how pretty. And we're just going to take this nail polish wheel. I'm going to paint them all. We may do this into separate videos. So there is the pale pink. This one, that was $7.14. This one is $7.17, and it is a, ooh, it's a more of a peach color. I'm trying not to smear what I already have on there, so I can just cure it all at one time. We will see how that goes. Well, that's pretty too. So there is the peach. I'm going to do the gray next. Pretty gray. I love a gray polish. I just do. Okay, there is the gray. These colors play so well together. Now, this is the color I have on my nails. It is 713. This took 3 coats because it is very, very sheer. And I will tell you, the brush on this one is a little wonky. I don't know if you can see that. The brush on the side over here on this side, is a little wonky. There's like one little bristle that is just out of place. So it made painting my nails kind of hard because it kept messing up and going where I didn't want it to go because the bristle is like wonky. I don't know if you guys can see that. It kind of curves over to the side. Can you see that? But it did take 3 coats for this one to be like not so sheer. So this is 3 coats on my nails. That is 1 coat on the swatch. 715. Is a deep brick. It's a brick color. It's not really red. It's a brick. It's got some brown tones to it. So I thought this would be a good one for fall as well, because you have these really pretty nudie tones with a gray and some berry and some brick. And then there is this beautiful glitter. Oh my gosh, look at that. I've not tried this glitter yet, but just looking at it in the bottle, it looks amazing. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Get in there, brush. These polishes are pretty thick. They're really thick. So I'm going to set this under here like so. I'm going to do a second coat and put them, I don't have the matte, the top coats or anything came with the set. This was just colors. So when I do the top coats on the other one, we'll come back and maybe do 1 or 2 of the matte and see how that looks. But right now we are going to do a second coat so you guys can see how these look with a second coat. I'm trying not to touch the ones beside of it. Okay. So quiet when we paint our nails. This is the wonky brush. This is the only one in this set that had like a wonky brush. And of course, that's going to be the first one I pick to paint my nails with. Oh, I got some schmutz in it. I'm going to wipe it off on the towel. Oh, I should have used this pink glitter. It's so pretty. So there's the second coat. Oh my gosh, let's cure that. Make sure all my lids are back on good. And there are the swatches. So pretty. So the palest pink, the peach, the gray, the berry, the brick, and the glitter. So pretty. That's this one. This is 3 coats. This is 2. Oh my gosh, guys. For like $10, 6 colors. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we will do the 20 set in a different video. So stay tuned for that one. It'll be coming up next. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure you get in my giveaway that's going on. It is a skincare giveaway, but there's also a flat iron. There'll be some other goodies in there, so be sure you get into that. And next video we will be swatching 20 nail polishes, so be ready for a little bit of a longer video on that one because it's going to take a hot minute. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.